Hi, Scott Pohl here with the National Bowling Academy. What we're going to look at right now is the conventional grip. Well, what exactly is the conventional grip? Basically, it's what we see with a lot of beginning bowling, recreation bowling, a good way to get started. How do we figure out if we have the right grip with a conventional ball? Well, let's take a look at a couple of fitting balls in front of us here, okay? So first of all, we're going to talk about how far along the span needs to be in relation to our fingers. First of all, it's up to the second knuckle in our fingers, and we want to take the span about 1/4 of an inch below that, or even sometimes a little bit more if we don't have very flexible fingers. Okay, so for instance, I'm going to put my hand in this ball here. We're going to get to a spot where it's basically about 1/4 of an inch below the ball. Another option for fitting, we have this type of material. Same idea. Put the finger 1/4 of an inch below that knuckle. All right, so what are a couple things we know about the conventional ball? First of all, there's not a lot of rotation or hook on the bowling ball. Think of it this way, the thumb and fingers come out at the same time, very similar to a knuckle ball that you'll see in baseball, softball, something like that, okay? Important to note, you don't want a lot of pressure on the hand. This can happen if the span is a little bit too long, if the finger holes are very tight, and you just have to squeeze that ball too much. Be sure to get the span correctly along with the sizes. What do we see with the pitches in the ball? Well, since the fingers are inserted a little bit further, we can typically go a little bit more forward with the fingers towards the palm of the ball. Vice versa, we can go with the same idea with the thumb, a little bit more forward toward the center of the grip. Hopefully all of this helps. See your local pro shop, get a conventional grip.